Today we're making meatballs and spaghetti. I'm using a half a pound of ground beef. We're going to go ahead and put some garlic in here, just like so, about a teaspoon. Some Italian seasoning. So we're making some spaghetti and meatballs. I'm guessing that person will not win. I'm going to add in some salt. About a teaspoonful. We're going to add in some Italian breadcrumbs. About a half a cup. And then we're going to combine everything together. Start rolling them into balls. Just roll them into balls. And you can make them bigger if you want. I don't like them too big, so just gonna make them this size. Our meatballs are finished being rolled up. So now we're gonna stick them in the oven on 350 for 20 minutes. So in a pot, add some water and let it come to a slight boil. And we're gonna go ahead and stick in our pasta noodles, spaghetti noodles. I'm gonna use about half the bag. Okay, let's get started on this. So now we're gonna go ahead and drop in our pasta noodles into our pot. Put my pasta on medium heat. And we'll go ahead and let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes until it's cooked. So we're gonna go ahead and chop up one small onion. And we're gonna get them a little brown. We're gonna go ahead and drop a little bit of oil in there in your pan, just so we can fry these onions. So now our onion is chopped. We're gonna go ahead and drop it in there. Now we're gonna chop up 2 cloves of garlic. So now we're gonna go ahead and drop in our garlic. Give it a good stir. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna turn this down to low. Move it off the stove. So now we're gonna go ahead and add in this diced fire roasted medium green chilies into our pot. Using everything, just like so. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in 2 cans of our tomato sauce. Now go ahead and add in your second can, just like so. And I'll go ahead and give it a good stir. We have the roasted chili, garlic, peppers here, fire roasted. So it's got that little char on it. And we're gonna let this cook for 30 minutes once we put the meatballs in. And we're gonna add a little sugar to take away the bitter taste. And you're going to go ahead and add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. If I can get it out. So you're going to do 3 tablespoons of sugar. Just so we can get that bitter taste out of there. We don't want that heartburn. And we'll give it a good stir. We're going to go ahead and check on these meatballs. I'm going to go ahead and drop in some Italian seasonings in here. It's about good there. Give it a good old stir. I'm telling you guys, these roasted peppers make a big difference in your food. So we're going to go ahead and let it cook down. Our meatballs are done. I'm going to go ahead and take them and put them in our gravy. And our red sauce. There you have it, you guys. We're going to let it cook for 30 minutes. And we got some meatballs and spaghetti going here. And it's almost time to take our noodles off the stove and drain them. Go ahead and put a lid on it and put it on low and let it cook for 30 minutes. Drained off our pasta. Now we just gotta wait on our sauce. There you have it, guys. It's been 30 minutes. And everything's done. Look there. Meatballs and spaghetti. A lot of smoke. There you have it. Meatballs and spaghetti.